Hey everyone! Welcome to AI Motion Studio. Today I'm excited to show you how I edit AI photo backgrounds. If you've ever wanted to change an image background while keeping the subject intact, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. Image selection and background removal. First, I'll choose an image from Midjourney. It's a free resource, and we'll use it as our starting point. Now, I'll open the image in Photoshop to remove the background. If you don't have Photoshop, no worries. You can use a free online background remover like remove.gb. You don't even need to register to use this website. Just upload your image, and when it's done, click Download. Now, if you do have Photoshop, just click the Remove background below the image, then merge the layers and save the image. Subject and background integration. Now go to any image generation tool and generate a new background. You can use Midjourney, which is not free, but in this video I will show you all free tool. Next, I'll generate a new background using Ideogram. It's a fantastic free tool. After logging in, I'll type in a prompt for our background, something like Street of New York in the style of a background photo shoot. Once the generation is complete, I'll choose the best image from the options and download it. Now, back in Photoshop, I'll open the background in Photoshop. Then drag the subject image onto the new background. I'll resize it to fit perfectly. And apply a feather of 5 to blend it seamlessly. Finally, I'll merge both images and save the result. Image upscaling. To enhance the image, I'll explore two methods. Method 1. We go to crea.ai. I'll upload the image there and click the Enhance button. You'll need to register to use Crea. After a short wait, we'll have an enhanced image to download. And as you can see, here is the enhanced image. Now we download the enhanced image. Method 2. We will be using Comfy UI. This method not only upscales, but also enhances the image. We upload the image into this workflow and click Q Prompt. I've set up a workflow using the Flux Upscaler from Civit AI. You can find the link in the description. Search for AI Motion Studio, and you will find the Flux Upscaler workflow, download it into your Comfy UI, and then use it to upscale images. Now let's get back to the image upscaling on Comfy UI. We can wait for this to complete. And here it is. As you can see, the subject blends seamlessly into the background. It's hard to believe this was made from two completely different images. I hope you find this technique helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Your support truly makes a difference. A big shout out to all our subscribers. You're contributing to the growth of our channel. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.